Hello everyone and welcome to day 4 of a 15-day series on SQL tricks and traps. Today's trap is one of the most common mistakes developers make. It's the use of where clause in your left join. You are asked to list all customers, even those who never place an order, and show their order amount if it is greater than 200. Most developers will end up writing this query. They think that the left join here will keep all the customers, the where filter on amount will filter out the low value orders, and that this is the right query. Let's execute and see. What we get in the output is only the orders for one customer ID 101, whose amount values are greater than 200. Now, if you're thinking why the left join does not include customers with no orders, then the answer is that the where clause here filters out those customers. The where clause silently converts your left join to an inner join. So you lose all the customers with no matching rows. And why this is important is because your query will not fail, but you will be getting wrong output data and you'll not even know it. So the way to fix this query is to move this filter to the left join. And this can be done by replacing the where to an and. Execute this and the output will include all the customers from the customer table, their corresponding amounts from the order table if it is greater than 200, and a null if it was not present in the orders table, if that customer ID was not present in the orders table. Now that you know the difference between where and clause while performing your left join, it's time to check your SQL knowledge with this fun SQL riddle on your screen. Solve this SQL riddle, post your answers in the comments, and at the end of a series, if you post the correct answer for all the 15 SQL riddles, you can win free access to some of our SQL courses. See you in the next video.